File 0 of A Treatise of Human Nature, by David Hume, Volume 1. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information, or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by George Yeager. Contents. Advertisement. Introduction by the author. Book 1 of the Understanding. Part 1 of Ideas, their origin, composition, connection, abstraction, etc. Section 1 of the origin of our ideas. Section 2 division of the subject. Section 3 of the ideas of the memory and imagination. Section 4 of the connection or association of ideas. Section 5 of relations. Section 6 of modes and substances. Section 7 of abstract ideas. Part 2 of the ideas of space and time. Section 1 of the infinite divisibility of our ideas of space and time. Section 2 of the infinite divisibility of space and time. Section 3 of the other qualities of our idea of space and time. Section 4 objections answered. Section 5 the same subject continued. Section 6 of the idea of existence and of external existence. Part 3 of knowledge and probability. Section 1 of knowledge. Section 2 of probability and of the idea of cause and effect. Section 3 why a cause is always necessary. Section 4 of the component parts of our reasonings concerning cause and effect. Section 5 of the impressions of the senses and memory. Section 6 of the inference from the impression to the idea. Section 7 of the nature of the idea or belief. Section 8 of the causes of belief. Section 9 of the effects of...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?